Let us prepare a quick Pudalangai curry, which is a handy recipe for busy mornings.
Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a kadai, add 2 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon split urad dal. Add some dry red chilies as per the spice level you need. Once they splutter, add some curry leaves and add 1 chopped onion. Fry this well. Once the onions turn slightly translucent, add salt as needed. Give this a good mix. Now add 200 grams of snake gut, which I have chopped and pre-boiled in pressure cooker. Finely chop the snake gut and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. I have not added salt to the snake gut. You need not cook this for a long time because the snake gut is already cooked. Finally, add some grated coconut around 2 tablespoons. Give this a mix and switch off the flame. Quick and easy Pudalangai curry is ready. Please do try this and share your feedback in comments. Chamayal ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.